Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at tonight's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has applauded the filmmakers behind the Sabarmati report for their sensitive and compelling portrayal of a pivotal historical event. The PM highlighted the film as a cinematic tribute to truth, commending its role in preserving the nation's history. The Lok Sabha witnessed uproar today as the Sambhal violence became the focus of heated opposition protests. The Samajwadi Party raised concerns over the recent fatal clashes in the area, with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi announcing plans to visit Sambhal to assess the situation firsthand. In West Bengal, Hindu priest Chinmoy Krishna Das continues to face delayed justice in a sedition case. Amid heightened security concerns, his lawyer was reportedly attacked, and the court has yet to grant bail in the high-profile case. Maharashtra politics takes center stage as Devendra Fadnavis is expected to make a comeback as the chief minister. An official announcement is likely tomorrow, with the Mahayuti alliance signaling its readiness for a smooth leadership transition. The move cements BJP's dominance in the state. Shiv Sena, UBT, leader Varun Sardesai has raised questions over discrepancies in EVM data during the Maharashtra Assembly polls. While avoiding direct accusations, Sardesai urged the Election Commission to investigate and provide transparency to address public doubts. Prime Minister Modi has highlighted the transformative role of the Nyaya Sanhita in strengthening India's democratic framework. Describing it as a revolutionary step, he emphasized its significance in modernizing the country's criminal justice system. Candidates from Bhosri and Chinchwad constituencies have demanded verification of EVM data following alleged discrepancies in vote shares. In Bhosri, Land secured 56.91% of the votes, while Gavhane received 39.92%. Similarly, in Chinchwad, Jagtap won 60.51% of the vote share against Kalte's 33.8%. Speculation grows in Maharashtra as NCP, Sharad Pawar, leaders meet Ajit Pawar and Devendra Fadnavis amid rumors of defection. However, NCP MLA Rohit Pawar dismissed the claims, stating that the meetings were likely to address local concerns such as rising crime and women's safety. In other news, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has been discharged from a Thane hospital following a health checkup. Doctors recommended a thorough examination, and he has since returned home after receiving medical attention. The Akal Takht has directed Akali Dal leaders to clean toilets at the Golden Temple as punishment. This unusual directive underscores the Akal Takht's commitment to holding leaders accountable and upholding the sanctity of Sikh religious practices. Lastly, suspense continues in Maharashtra as preparations for the CM oath ceremony are underway. The Mahayuti alliance is expected to make a final decision soon, marking the next chapter in